Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one more problem on statistical inferences and applications. Okay, so let's move on to this question. So here a question is given like a study is conducted to test significant difference in gaining popularity between online, distance and physical mode of education using an experimental design. The design furnished the following incomplete ANOVA table. Okay, here a table is given. So a question is given. What are the two sub questions are asked? Okay, so first sub question is identify experimental design used in above case. So we need to identify what is the experimental design used in the above case. And what is the second problem here? Second sub problem, find values at each question mark. Okay, there is some question marks as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 question marks are there. We need to find the values and we have to provide the final conclusion. Okay, we need to provide the final conclusion. So first of all, let us understand the question. So okay, so according to the question, a study is done. Okay, a study is done, and for what the study is, for what is the purpose of the study? To test or to check whether there is a significant difference in popularity, okay, in gaining popularity between online distance and physical mode. A study is done to test the significant difference between in gaining popularity between online distance and physical mode. Okay, so to compare more than two groups, the research uses ANOVA, that means analysis of variance. Okay, here ANOVA means nothing but analysis of variance. So what is given in the question? You are given an incomplete ANOVA table with some values missing. Okay, with some values missing. So from the table, you know the sum of the squares between modes is equal to 600. The sum of the squares between modes of education is 600. Next, what is the total sum of squares? 879. And what is the total degree of freedom? 20. So these values are given in the table, right? So next one, what does the ANOVA table represent? Okay, what does the table represent here? The table splits total variation into between modes of education and error and the total. Three subcategories we have, and here is nothing but the difference between modes of education is nothing but difference due to type of education. Like we have three types, right? What is the difference between them? And after the error means nothing but random variation within each mode. Okay, random variation within each mode. Total means overall variation in data. ANOVA is nothing but analysis of variation. Now, what we are asked to? We are asked to identify the experimental design. We need to say which design is used. Okay, so here how many factors are there? Only one factor, right? That is mode of education. Online, distance, physical. There are three types of modes of education, like only one. And what is the second question asked? You must find the missing places, missing question mark, the values of the question marks, and we need to provide the conclusion. Okay, now let us solve the question. Okay, so first the sub question 1, we need to identify the experimental design used, right? Okay, so how many factors are used here? Only one factor is studied, right? Only one factor is studied. Only one factor is studied, right? Only one factor is studied, that is nothing but the mode of education. So we can say one way ANOVA. One way ANOVA. What is meant by ANOVA? Comment me in the comment section, okay? Completely one way ANOVA. It is the experimental design. So what is the experimental design used in the above case? One way ANOVA. How we can say that there is a one way ANOVA? Nothing but only one factor is studied there. Okay, next one, simply solved. Now let us solve the second part of the question. So first we need to find here the degree of freedom. Okay, so for that what I am telling is between modes of education. Okay, between modes of education, DF. Okay, DF, between degree of freedom, between, we are finding this value. For this what I am doing is there is a formula for between modes of education. So in one way ANOVA, the formula is df between is equal to k minus 1. K minus 1. It is nothing but how many factors, like how many types of modes are there. Okay, in one factor, right, there will be different types. So how many types are there? 3. Here the value of k is 3. So 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So what is the here? Like degree of freedom of between. Degree of freedom of between modes of education is nothing but 2. How we find this? Nothing but a simple formula. For finding the degrees of freedom, okay, we will use the formula k minus 1. That is nothing but 3. K, how we get the value as 3? K is nothing but here k is nothing but the number of groups or treatments being compared. How many groups are being compared? Online, distance and physical. So there are 3 modes, that's why we are compared, right? So k value is 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, clear? Then next. So we found the df here. One of the question mark is solved. Now next one. Here we got the value of degree of freedom for the between modes of education. Okay. Now, what is the total degree of freedom here? 20. What is the between modes of the education? Degree of freedom of between 2. So what will be the error? You can find by yourself. Total is equal to 20. This is 2. 2 plus error is equal to 20. Right? So, degree of freedom of error. That is nothing but 20 minus 2. That is equal to 18. Is it fine? 18. Okay. Similarly, what will be the sum of squares here? If you can see, this is 879 and this is sum of squares of for between is 600. So SS error is nothing but 879 minus 600. How much it is? It is nothing but 279. So the value of here question mark is 279. Here the main question comes. Mean squares, calculated F ratio and critical F ratio at this one. Okay. So now mean squares. What is the formula of mean square? Mean square equal to sum of squares by degree of freedom. Okay. What is the formula of mean square? Mean square is equal to sum of squares by degree of freedom. Okay. So what is the mean square of MS? Mean square of between is equal to SS between by DF between. SS between is 600. But DF between is 2. That is nothing but 300. Okay. Then now the mean square of error. 279 by 18. That is nothing but if you calculate, we will get 15.5. So here it is 15.5 and here it is 300. Now you got. Now we need to find these two. Calculated F ratio. What is the formula for calculating the F ratio? Here you should know the formula for calculating F ratio. What is the formula is? Formula is equal to F is equal to the F ratio of F is equal to mean squares. Okay, mean squares of between by mean square of error. What is the formula for F ratio? Mean square of between by mean square of error. That is nothing but 300 by 15.5. That is equal to how much? 19.35. Okay. Simple. 19.35. Now we have to calculate the level of significance here. Okay. Critical F ratio at 5% level of significance. Okay. So here from the F table, numerator DF is equal to 2. Degree of freedom is equal to 2. And like denominator DF is nothing but here error is equal to 18. So what is the level of significance here? 5%. So F critical is, so according to the F critical, as we already know, degree of freedom for between is 2, for error is 18. Like denominator we got numerator is 2, like denominator is 18. So level of significance is 5%. That is nothing but F critical, right, at 5%. F 0.05. Okay, of 2, 18. So in the F table we have checked that value. So by comparing with the F table, we will get the value of 3.55. Okay. After seeing the F table, for this value we need to, like, we will get the value of 3.55. So we will write it here. Hence we completed the problem. Let me give a quick summary. So what we have done, so the question is given as a study is conducted to test significant difference in gaining popularity between online, distance and physical mode of education using an experimental design. The design furnished the following incomplete ANOVA table. Okay, so a table is given, the question marks, we need to find the question marks and we need to identify the experimental design. As there is only one factor studied, so that is nothing but one way ANOVA. Okay, and accordingly we find the values. So for the formula for degrees of freedom we have is equal to k minus 1. Okay, degree of freedom for between modes of education, k minus 1. Here k equal to k equal to 3. Why k equal to 3? As we have 3 types here, 3 groups: online, distance and physical mode. Okay, so we know the k value here, that's why we have taken the formula for between. If we know the how many errors are there, total errors, then we will take that one. Okay, now hence we got 2 here. Similarly, as 2, degree of freedom for between is 2, total is 20, then error automatically we found 18. Also sum of squares is given 600 and total given 879. From this we got the error, sum of squares. So for mean squares we have a formula, sum of squares by degree of freedom. By that we got the values. Calculated F ratio. How we calculated F ratio? The mean squares of between and mean squares of error. The division of mean squares of between and error, 19.35. So similarly we have calculated the critical F ratio at 5% level of significance. How we calculated that? We have taken the degree of freedom for between, degree of freedom for 18, 2,18 for what? 5%. So F 0.05 of 2,18 we have to find in the F table. The value will be 3.55. So thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe to get the latest videos.